This pizza company became a tech giant? The craziest pizza story ever. What if I told you a pizza company became smarter than Google? A business built on cheese and pepperoni is now a tech beast? This is the insane story of how Domino's Pizza went from near bankruptcy to an AI-powered empire. Fasten your seatbelts because this story has speeding cars, billion-dollar lawsuits, AI robots, and one of the greatest corporate comebacks ever. The origin, humble beginnings. It all started in 1960 when two brothers, Tom and James Monaghan, bought a tiny pizza shop in Michigan for just $900. Back then, pizza delivery was slow, orders were wrong, and customers were frustrated. Tom had a brilliant idea. What if we deliver faster than anyone else? By the 1970s, they came up with the genius marketing idea that changed everything. 30 minutes or free. If you don't get your pizza in 30 minutes, you don't pay. Customers went crazy. Orders skyrocketed. Domino's became a national sensation. But then, things took a dark turn. The disaster. Speed kills. By the 1980s, Domino's was growing fast. But there was one big problem. Drivers were speeding like maniacs. They were racing against the clock to deliver pizzas in under 30 minutes. And then, the worst happened. People started getting into serious car accidents. Some even died. Domino's was slammed with lawsuits. Victims' families sued the company for encouraging reckless driving. 1993. Boom! The lawsuits hit hard. Domino's had to cancel their famous 30 minutes or free deal. They lost millions. Their reputation was damaged, and the company was in trouble. But things were about to get even worse. The downfall. Cardboard with ketchup. By the 2000s, Domino's had another major problem. Their pizza was awful. Customers hated it. They called it cardboard with ketchup. Their sauce tasted like chemicals. Their cheese was flavorless. 2009. Domino's sales crashed. Downward trend. People weren't just complaining online, they were making YouTube videos and roasting their pizza. Customers were quitting Domino's and switching to competitors like Papa John's and Pizza Hut. At this point, Domino's was dying. Most companies would try to hide the bad press. But Domino's? They did something unbelievable. The biggest risk, our pizza sucks. Instead of denying the criticism, instead of pretending everything was fine, Domino's CEO Patrick Doyle did something crazy. He went on national TV and said, "Yeah, our pizza is trash. We know. And we're going to fix it." They launched a massive marketing campaign. "We hear you. We're fixing our pizza." They literally showed mean tweets and customer complaints in their commercials. And then, they actually fixed it. They threw out their old recipe and started from scratch. New sauce with actual spices, better cheese, not the weird plastic-tasting one. Fresh dough instead of frozen junk. And it worked. Customers loved the new pizza. Domino's sales exploded. But that was just the beginning. The tech revolution, from pizza to AI. Most companies would stop there. But Domino's? They didn't just want to fix their pizza. They wanted to become a tech company. And that's exactly what they did. Domino's spent millions on tech innovations and became a pioneer in food delivery technology. Here's what they built. AI-powered pizza tracker. You can track your pizza in real time. Self-driving delivery cars, robots delivering pizza to your house. Drone delivery. In some countries, Domino's literally started delivering pizzas via drones. Domino's Anywhere. Order pizza through Twitter, Alexa, smart TVs, and even your car dashboard. This wasn't just a pizza company anymore. Domino's was now an AI and logistics company. The comeback. The tech giant in disguise. Fast forward to 2024 and Domino's is a billion-dollar empire. Their stock price skyrocketed. They even beat Google and Uber in food delivery tech. So now, let's we ask you, is Domino's still a pizza company? Or are they secretly a tech firm? One thing is for sure, from lawsuits to failures, from cardboard pizza to AI-powered success, Domino's has one of the craziest comeback stories in business history. Comment your thoughts. Is Domino's a tech company or just really smart at pizza? Follow for more insane business stories like this.